I'm back in Germany after what seems like an endless day of travel and ready for more adventures. We're here in another state called Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, and we're here visiting the city of Schwerin. The city is most well known for the Schwerin Palace and is located on an island in the city's main lake called Lake Schwerin. The castle is regarded as one of the most important works of Romantic historicism in Europe. It is nicknamed Neuschwanstein of the North. Schwerin was built between 1847 and 1857 by Grand Duke Frederick Franz II. Records show that a fort was built on this location as early as the 10th century. It was only from around 1843 that Schwerin Castle began to take its form as we see today. The architecture found it difficult to please the Duke, so he went looking for inspiration all across Europe and ended up modeling the castle after Castle Chambord in France. The new building kept some parts of the older castle that dated back to the 16th century. Therefore, the style that emerged as a whole became Neo-Renaissance. In 1913, around a third of the palace was destroyed in a fire, and reconstruction was still in process when the Revolution of 1918 resulted in the Grand Duke renouncing his throne. The palace's ghost, Petermännchen, or Little Peterman, is a small, good-natured household spirit, and is said to be the keeper or watchman of the castle, rewarding those who are honest and good, and driving away thieves and intruders. After the reign of the Grand Dukes ended, Schwerin Castle became state-owned, and in 1948, Schwerin Castle became seat of the regional parliament. Later, in 1974, the Castle Museum would be installed and opened up to the public. We did something spontaneous and we're going on a boat tour. It's an hour-and-a-half long boat ride, so I'm hoping to see different views of the Schloss and learn more about the city. So this isn't exactly the boat tour I thought it was going to be. More of a relaxing ride. We got to go around the perimeter, see some houses that have great views, and see a lot of nature. Like I said, very relaxing. Since the ride was so long, they offered food and drinks, and I got a hot chocolate. After the boat ride, we headed to the Old Town. This area is largely intact thanks to only minor damages in World War II. Although in the Middle Ages, a great fire destroyed almost all parts of the city center. The Schwerin Cathedral and the Cathedral Court were the only thing that survived. Schwerin was left devastated and had to start everything from scratch. Many of the buildings we see today were shaped by the historicism of the 19th century. Both the economy and building activity revived when the ducal residence relocated in 1837. The same architect who redesigned the Schwerin Palace was also appointed in the reconstruction of the new representative buildings. There's been a few cute streets, but not as many as I've seen in Lübeck. I do really like their cobblestone roads though. Overall, the day in Schwerin was really relaxing. It was a perfect day.